Alrighty guys, we're here at Lakeline Mall at JCPenney. And this is one of the very 90s elevator here. Oh, the circle lanterns. Very 90s, 80s-ish Montgomery. Wow, it's great. It phone. Oh, I had that bird again. That was pretty good. Oh, hi. Let's close the door. See this motor. What the heck was that? I don't understand. I didn't do that. Hell of it now. This is nice elevators from like around the 90s. Late 80s, early 90s. Nice lanterns. I just opened right up into the window section. Yay. There goes the elevator. That's the door designs. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.